As the world's largest, privately owned manufacturer of 100% recycled paper packaging, Pratt Industries is committed to a circular economy, diverting nearly 20,000 cubic yards of waste from landfills daily. That's the equivalent of 7.23 million yards of landfill waste each year. The process starts with Pratt Recycling, who recovers more than 3 million tons of recyclable material annually. This includes recovered fiber from paper products, like newspapers, magazines, shipping boxes, and more. The recovered fiber is sorted and baled, then brought to one of our 6 100% recycled paper mills. At the mill, the fiber is first broken down by putting it into a large mixing machine called a pulper. Water is added to separate the cellulose fiber from all the non-fiber components. This creates a soupy mix called pulp. This pulp then goes through several cleaning steps to make sure all non-fiber components are removed. The pulp is now ready for the paper machine. On the paper machine, the clean pulp is spread to form an even sheet. The main job of the paper machine is to remove excess water. Vacuum and mechanical presses are used to remove most of the water. Then steam-heated dryers remove the remaining moisture and increase the paper strength. The removed water is recycled back into the pulping process to be used again. About 3 hours after the recovered fiber first enters the pulper, a brand new jumbo roll of paper, weighing about 25 to 45 tons, is produced. These jumbo rolls are then trimmed into smaller rolls for customer orders. The smaller rolls are sent to our Pratt manufacturing facilities where they're made into new products like corrugated sheets, boxes, displays, and paper bags for our customers. Once customers are done with their paper-based product packaging, we encourage them to close the loop by partnering with Pratt Recycling, who will recover the used paper packaging, also known as fiber, and start the process all over again. Consumers can also help to close the loop by recycling their used paper-based packaging and the boxes they receive directly. This post-consumer recovered fiber may also make its way to Pratt Recycling and one of our 100% recycled paper mills where we will give it a new life.